Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 38 of our playlist JavaScript function 0 to advanced. Okay, so in this video, we are going to learn about currying function. So what is the meaning of currying? So let's understand the definition first, then we will start coding. Currying transform a function with multiple arguments, okay, into a series of functions that each take a single argument. Okay, it is like chaining of the function. Inside one function, you will see another function, and inside that function, you will see another function. It is like chaining of function. So how we can create the currying of the function? So let's see. So as you know already, I have two files. One is index.html, second is app.js. Inside the index.html, I linked my app.js through script tag. You already know, right? And I already started the live server. Okay. So let me write console message to check whether this environment is working or not. Testing message. Okay. So let me check. Yes, it is working. So you can start live server and you can open the output on Chrome by pressing Ctrl Shift J. Right. Now let's understand what is the mean of currying. Okay. So in order to create the currying function, you have to create a simple function. Okay. So I'm creating a function with name. Like my function name is like demo. Okay. Demo. Demo is a function. Okay. Which is taking one argument. Suppose A. Inside the demo, what I'm doing, I'm returning a function. Okay. I'm returning a function, but this function has a body. Okay. We can return a function. Okay. Function, complete function we can return, right? Okay. But this function don't have any name, right? And inside this parameter of this function, we have B, right? And inside this function is also returning one. Okay, wait. This function is also returning a function. Okay, which is also taking one argument. Okay, right. And this function and the third function is returning what? Okay, the third function is returning what? Return A plus B plus C. The third function is returning addition of three parameters A, B, and C. Okay, so outer function can access the inner function parameter. Okay, and the inner function can access the outer function. So this is what inner statement. So that's why it has the capability to access all the parameters, right? Okay, so this is known as curry. Okay, so how we will call this function? We will call the demo function. Okay, we will call the demo function. When you call the demo function, it is asking any argument. Yes, it is asking. So let's suppose I am passing 10. Okay, great. But who will call this function? Who will call this function which is inside the demo? And it is also asking one argument. So see, we don't have any name of this function. So like immediately invoke. So after calling this demo function, immediately we will call this function. Okay, so what we will do, we will write parenthesis because this function, I'm talking about this function has no name. So that's why we are writing immediate parameter only without name. And we will pass another argument which is 10 because it is accepting one parameter. Inside this function, we have another function. What's the name of this function? No function name. So how we will call? If there is no function name, then tell me how we can call. Okay, so we can call immediately. Immediate invoke. Okay. So what is the C value? I'm writing 30. Okay, so am I fulfilling all the requirement by the function? Yeah, demo function requirement fulfilled. This function requirement is fulfilled. This function is requirement is fulfilling. And in last, it is returning the sum addition. So who will store this addition? So here it is returning. We will store here. Let result equals to this. And can we print console.log? And can we print using backtick like addition is result, right? Okay. Let's see what's the output. Output is coming 60. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 30 and 30, 60. Okay. Okay. So tell me, can I remove this function keyword as well? This is the function which has no name. Can I remove this function keyword? Yes, you can remove the function keyword, but it is showing error. It is showing error. So when you remove this function keyword, immediately you make it arrow function. If you're removing the function keyword, make it arrow function. See, no error. So can I remove this function keyword? Yes. But what you will do? Just make it arrow function. That is allowed. All right. Okay. So can I remove the name of this function? Can I remove the name of this function? Yes, you can remove. Then what will happen? Error is coming. Who will call this function? Who will call this function? If you're removing the name, so means this function you will store inside a variable. Okay. So my variable now name is like fun. My variable name is fun. So in JavaScript, variable can store the function as well. So we are storing this function. So can we call it through demo? No, there is no such thing called demo. There is no demo here. We have fun variable which is containing function. So using fun we can call this. Okay. Yes, using fun we can call this. So can I remove this function keyword as well? Yes, you can remove. But remember one thing, when you are removing this function keyword, add arrow, right? Add arrow. You can create it arrow function. Okay. Answer is output is coming. No issue at all. Okay. So now tell me, can I remove this parenthesis? Note, if you have single parameter inside the function, you can remove what? Parenthesis. Okay. Am I getting error? No, there is no error. Can I remove this parameter as well? Yes, you can remove. If you have single parameter, you can remove. So can I remove this also? Yes. If you have single parameter, you can remove. You can remove the parenthesis brackets. Okay, fine. I'm getting output, no issue. Okay, so can I remove this curly braces? Can I remove this curly braces? Yes, of course you can remove. Okay. If I am removing this curly braces, I am removing the body of the function. It is saying error, unexpected token. So remember one thing, when you have one statement inside your function, you can remove the parent, you can remove the curly braces. But when you are removing the curly braces, there is no need to write return. Okay, it automatically return your value. The function automatically return. If there is one statement, it will return automatically. See, your output is coming. Okay, so can I remove this body as well? Yes, you can remove this curly braces. Okay, so again I am getting error. So why you are getting error? Because when you are removing the curly braces, you can remove this return, because when there is only one statement inside the function and you are removing the curly braces, your function will automatically return. No need to write return. Okay, all right, great. Okay, so now tell me, can I remove this body? Can I remove this body because it has only one statement? Yes, you can remove this body, no doubt about it. Okay, but error is coming. So now you can understand how we can resolve the error. If there is single statement inside the body, so you can remove the return. It will automatically return. So see, output is coming. Are you getting or not? So how short we make our function? This is known as currying, and this is what arrow function. We are taking help of arrow function. This is what A is parameter, B is also parameter, C is also an parameter, which is taking these values. Right? Hope you are getting. Alright, so thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you understood in this video. If you have any doubt or any issue in understanding the concept, you can write comment. Okay. And if you are practicing the code, if you're practicing this code with me, so kindly paste this code inside the comment section of the video. So there will be a two-way communication. If there will be a two-way communication, I will be able to understand like how many students are really participating in writing code. Okay. And your comment will push our videos, so it will definitely help our channel as well for increasing the visibility. So thank you everyone. Do comment whatever code you are writing, like how many code you are writing. If you're writing 100 codes, write all the 100 codes, send the comment, no issue at all. This comment box is for yours. Okay, so whatever practice you are doing, just paste that comment insanely. Okay, nobody is charging any money to you. All right, so thank you everyone. You need practice, do practice, learn coding. Coding is very easy if you do the practice. Coding is really hard if you don't do the practice. That's all. Thank you everyone for watching this video.